Welcome back to Boat Week on the RC Sailors. You guys really wanted to see the swamp boat to run at night. So that's what we're going to do today to test these lights. Now, of course, it's not going to look super awesome on camera, but we're going to run this at super late dusk and just see how good the lights look. When we ran this the first time, it was really bright out. You really couldn't see the lights at all. So in this video, we're going to take a look and see how good these lights look and actually drive this around a kind of swampy.
Yeah, I picked a swampy spot.
It looks good, I think. We've been having a blast with RC Boat Week, and if you want to see more of the boats included in this week, we'll have them all linked in the description box below if you've missed any of the fun. This really is an awesome boat, and I have no doubt that we're going to have a good time with it. So let's power it on and see how the lights look. We're going to do a little dusk driving first, I think. Oh yeah, they look pretty good.
They look good right now. I think we could do the whole video right now.
We might.
That looks good.
We might save a little juice to the very end and do actual night driving. But for dusk driving, that's so much better.
I like it.
Than the bright day we tested this in first. Let's go.
Away she goes.
Just wanted to make sure I had power.
Yeah, power helps sometimes.
Remember, this can be really loud. Here we go. Oh yeah, I have it on 50% throttle too. Cranking it up to 100. Now listen.
So loud.
Too loud. It's too loud, I tell you. Somebody asked, maybe the prop is possibly off balance. Could be. You could get a prop balancer and try to really clean that up a little bit. Probably, I would even try a two-bladed prop on this thing because it is loud. But it's fun. Yeah, the lights look good. Makes a big difference. Can't even talk in this video. It's just too loud.
Nate, not talking?
Might as well just listen to the boat. That's a full throttle pass. Really where this thing shines is kind of like little throttle bursts. Kind of cruise at a good low speed like this. And then if you want to have fun doing Abby's famous bow nuts, give it a little bit of extra kick. And on that note, Abby, I think you gotta have a little bit of fun.
Right.
This thing is just, it is super fun. It's just really loud. Go get that beach ball. I'm just joking.
No, you can't just joke about things.
No, it's like stuck up against the edge.
Reverse isn't great on
Reverse isn't great. You gotta go real slow.
Yeah.
But it's better than a traditional boat. I mean, you maybe could.
It's not my beach ball. What am I don't even want the beach ball though.
There's some kids over there.
They probably don't want it either. It's probably been out there for years.
So what Abby's doing right now is what's really nice about this swamp boat. You can take it through lily pads and not get hung up like you would with a traditional boat. Look at that, this glides through and over them. Those lights are looking good too. This is a cruiser. It's a head turner. You are turning a lot of heads right now around the lake.
It's really loud.
It's so loud.
There's a family trying to play on the beach behind us.
Well, they're having a good time watching the boat. We made sure there's no surrounding fishermen over here.
We picked a spot, obviously, where no one in their right mind would fish.
Yeah. There you go. That looks like a true swamp boat.
Oh, you have it on 100 for me?
Yeah. Can't you tell?
Oh, did you see that sign?
That was nice.
Oh, that
was nice.
Oh,
that was good.
I'm like
that was
scared
good.
to death of it. You think the lily pads are cool? I like driving on.
I do, yeah. I guess I was a little bit nervous too. I don't know, because they look really thick. But they are not slowing you down at all.
That's awesome.
It really is.
Well, should we save some battery?
Save some juice. Let's see how this looks here in like 10 or 15 minutes. We'll let it get a little darker. But the lights are looking good, you guys. I think the lights are looking good, and you can see, you know, the sun has set behind that hill there, but it's not completely dark yet, so I want to see how these lights look when it gets a little darker. Save that juice, girl.
Oh, right on the slide.
That's okay. I think it's getting dark enough. What do you think?
It's dark enough. Nate's scared of the actual dark,
That's
so.
right. You gotta go before the sun goes down. Actually, if it got any more dark than what it is now, the camera really wouldn't work at all.
Yeah, sure. It sounds like a big excuse.
Why do you think we never have videos at nighttime, you guys? Man, it just echoes through the valley. You getting these amazing donuts here?
Oh yeah.
All right. I think I got to take it through the lily pads now.
Okay.
It's awesome.
The camera's getting grainy trying to correct
Yeah.
the lighting.
See, that's why we're not going completely dark. So I will say, these headlights, the reason we're doing this video is to test the headlights. Are they viable for nighttime use?
Yep.
Oh yeah, they are way brighter than I thought they were during our daytime testing.
It's really awesome.
Yeah. And actually, Abby, these lights are quite a bit brighter than our Cajun Commander.
Yeah, this is awesome.
I think this is where this boat shines, is actually
At
night
night,
driving.
yeah. Take it back over this way. The camera looks better over here.
Okay. Oh, I could just take it up on the beach there. I forgot, there's a beach right there.
Oh, I was just over there and there's a lot of poop.
Oh, goose poop.
Yeah, a lot.
And on that note, I think it's time to go.
Yeah. Moon's out.
We're done.
It's bedtime.
It's so dark, we can just prop this up.
There's your lighting.
Use this as camera lighting. Here we go. And there's a great video. Great boat.
Hey, that car helped.
Good help. I wanted you guys to see this before I turn it off. I think it's really nice, a nice touch that the power button in here is lit up. So if you are driving this at complete darkness, or you haven't turned it on, well actually it only works if it's on, but it's lit up, so at least you can find your power button to turn the boat off. And I give this thing, no pun intended, massive props for being super cool as a night boat. Look how bright those lights are.
Yeah, it's reflecting on my leg.
They're crazy bright. So really cool. Let's see how this looks if I turn it off. Watch. I mean, this big difference. See? That's nice.
It is nice.
I wasn't expecting to be this happy with the night results of this boat. It's fun in the daytime, and yes, it's loud. But if you want to have a little bit of crazy, loud RC fun at night on a pond or creek or whatever, this is it. The lights look great. I have no doubt in my mind that if you were driving this in the pitch black of night, you could see where you were going extremely well. Unfortunately, cameras just don't work well at night, so this is as good as it gets. But it's because of you guys letting us know in the comments section that we did this video. And I encourage you to leave comments. Let us know what videos you want to see, because if enough people ask for it, or the right person asks the right question, we will do a video on it. That's kind of what motivates a lot of our channel. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but this one was very heavily requested from you guys, so here we are. We'll have it linked in the description box below, and pretty importantly, we'll link the battery that we're using in this boat. I actually think the 3S battery works perfect for it, but 4S does work on this really well too. And I don't know if I addressed this, but in the first running video we did, the last part of that video was actually a 4S run. Not a major difference, but in this boat it can run either one. We'll link our favorite battery down there, and just know that if you use those links, whether you're buying this boat or you see a car that you like on the website, whatever you buy while you're there, after you click this link, you do help to support us, our family, our channel, and it goes a long way. So thank you for thinking about doing that, and if you do it, you rock. Thank God for a perfect calm evening to test this at night in a really cool spot where we didn't really bother anybody. Super loud boat, you know, we don't like to disturb the peace too bad, but what a cool place to do it. Massive thanks to our Patreon supporters. You guys know we couldn't do this without you. You're the backbones to our channel, and we have had a blast on the third already boat week in 2021 on the RC Sailors. We have something epic to show you guys tomorrow, so be sure to stay tuned. We'll have another awesome RC boat video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. See you there.
Bye.